welcome back to the channel again. So if you missed the yesterday's introduction, make sure to check it out. Today we are diving into one of the most crucial aspects of the teaching, setting up your classroom for the success. So whether you are setting up a new classroom or just looking to refresh your current setup, I have got some great tips for you. So are you ready? Okay, so then we get started. So let's start with the classroom layout. The way you arrange your classroom can make a huge difference in the student engagement. I hope you agree with me, right? And behavior. Consider these layout options. Number one, traditional layout. So desks in rows facing the front, great for lecture style teaching. I hope you understand the lecture style teaching. Yes, so if you keep the and arranging the desks in the row facing the front, then it would be very great for the students to gain information, right? And number two, we have group work layout. So if you arrange the desks in clusters, it will be perfect for the collaborative activities. Obviously, when the students are sitting in the groups, right, they will be greatly in the collaborative activities and gained much more information from each other, right? Next we have U-shaped layout. So desks in a U-shaped around the teacher, okay, ideal for discussions and the presentation. For example, a teacher is sitting here and students are like this in a U shape. So what happen, every students can pay attention to the teachers directly, okay, without any obstacles or the distractions. Now I hope you understood this. Now let's talk about the classroom zones. Now creating different zones in your classroom can help organize activities and make transition smoother, right? So now, reading nook, a cozy area with comfortable sitting and a variety of books. So reading books, sorry I have pronounced it very wrong. Now activity station, design areas for the different types of activities like science experiments, arts projects, right, and much more. Where the students can group in the activity corner and perform activities comfortably. Now tech station, a space equipped with computers or tablets for the tech-based learning. So it will be the some classroom zones which helps the students to gain much more information in a more meaningful way. Now setting up a reading group is easy. Use soft sitting like bean bags or the cushions. Add a few bookshelves and create a welcoming atmosphere with a good lighting and make sure it's accessible and inviting for students. Now, organizing supplies is another key aspect. Use bins, labels, and shelves to keep everything in its place. It's amazing how much smoother your day will run when students can easily find what they need. So it also save their time, right? So it's very useful. And remember, organization isn't just about tidiness, it's about creating a space that support effective teaching and learning, because student can learn more if they provide with a very comfortable and then meaningful environment, right? Now, here's a quick checklist for the setting up your classroom. So if you have noted down the points, you can vary with me. Choose an effective layout, create functional zones, organize supplies, right, efficiently, and personalize the space. Add some personal touch like motivational posters or the student artwork to make the space feel like home. So I hope you found these tips helpful. Setting up your classroom can be a fun and rewarding process. So if you have any questions or need more specific advice, drop a comment below. We will discuss. Okay, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out the updates next time. So, in the next video, we will dive into the very important aspects lesson planning. So, thanks for watching. I will see you tomorrow.